In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the MetaMask extension in your Google Chrome, perfect for managing crypto, NFTs, and DeFi in 2025. First, open your Chrome browser and head to metamask.io. Click on Get MetaMask. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Now click Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Wait a few seconds and MetaMask will appear in your extensions list, usually at the top right of your browser. Click the MetaMask Fox icon to open it, then click Get Started. Review the terms of use, then click Agree. You'll have two options: import wallet using secret recovery praise if you already have one, or click Create a wallet to make a new one. Then click Create a wallet and set up a secure password. Be sure to store this password somewhere safe and click Get Started. MetaMask will now show you a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This is super important. Write it down and keep it offline and private. Click Next, confirm the phrase, check the checkbox, and click Agree, and you're all set. And that's it. MetaMask is now ready to use. You can send, receive, and manage your crypto right from your browser.